previous video I just discussed up to this, because we just declare, we just end on the basis of the dividend calculation. Dividend is calculated on the basis of the total nominal value. This is very important thing. Remember, dividend is calculated on the face value of the nominal value. Dividend always expressed in the percentage. So 5% dividend, 6% dividend, 20% dividend. Okay. This percentage is very much important thing. You just calculate the dividend on the face value. Face value means তুমি যা কোম্পানিতে ইনভেস্ট করো, কোম্পানিতে কি ইনভেস্ট করো, সার্টেন ক্লিয়ার থিং। সাপোজ এ ওয়ান শেয়ার, just you purchase a one share, the nominal value of the share is, that nominal value means company listed value, the first value of the share is 100, but you just purchase from the market, this is 150, তুমি 150 দিয়ে কিনেছো, okay, but এটা মাথায় রাখো, for the purchasing of the one share, so what amount of money actually invest in your company? Rupees 100, 150 দিয়ে তুমি কিনেছো, just you purchase rupees 150 one share, but in the company you invest actually 100. That is the very important thing. You purchase 150 for one share, but actually the nominal value is 100. That means in your investment, actual investment in the company is rupees 100 in the company. So dividend, when the dividend is calculated, dividend calculates on the face value. Orthat, what is the thing? Not 150 on the basis of 100. 100 এর উপর ক্যালকুলেট হবে, not 150. Okay, but your investment is 150, but the dividend calculate on 100. Suppose এটা কিন্তু রিভার্স হয়, the nominal value is 100, but you purchase from a share from the market is rupees 80. That means what is your investment actually invest is 80 rupees 80, but in the company investment is rupees 100. Actually the purchase of one share, the nominal value of one share is 100. So in that case the dividend calculate on rupees 100, not to rupees 80. That is a profitable. So when you just purchase a share at discount, that will be very profitable. Okay, in case of the dividend calculation. Okay, so now one important write down here. Here is a question. 15, that is a very, language is very interesting. You just accustom the language. 15% of rupees 100 share at rupees 145. What is the meaning? In case of the shares and dividend sum, the language is very short. Very inner meaning is very important here. So here, 15% of rupees 100 share at rupees 145 means actual, that means NV, nominal value is rupees 100, one share, just always the one share. Rupees 100 means the nominal value or the face value is 100, market value is 145 one share, and dividend percent is 15% on one share. This is the meaning of this line. 15% rupees 100 share at rupees 145. আর কিছু বলে দেয়নি তোমাকে, just understand the inner meaning of this, the language, very important thing. 15%, that means 15% dividend, rupees 100 share at rupees 145, that means the nominal value of one share is 100 and the market value of one share is 145. Now dividend calculation. What is the dividend that means dividend calculate, so 15% 15 by 100, and one share is 100. Okay, so 15% of 100. Okay, not these. So 15% dividend calculate 15% of 100, not 145. Now what is the income? Means 15%, rupees 15 on one share on his investment. Rupees 15 is the dividend, so this is the income, but your investment is 145. 145, but this is the income. But one other thing is the, what is the return? What do you mean by the return? মানে তুমি কত রিটার্ন পার্সেন্ট পেলে, অ্যাকচুয়ালি তুমি ইনভেস্ট করেছো কত, অ্যাকচুয়ালি তুমি ইনভেস্ট করছো 145 ইজ এ ইনভেস্টমেন্ট। 145 ইনভেস্ট থেকে তুমি আর্ন করছো 15, 1 থেকে কত করছো, 100 থেকে কত করছো, দিস ইজ দ্য পার্সেন্টেজ। আই জাস্ট ক্যালকুলেট হিয়ার, দ্যাট মিন পার্সেন্টেজ অফ রিটার্ন অ্যাকচুয়ালি 10 by 29%. Percentage of return, that is called the yield also. Yield, we call the yield. This is a different typical term in case of the shares and dividend. Okay, yield means percentage of return. এই জায়গাটা ভেরি ক্লিয়ার করে নাও। তুমি ইনকামটা কি করলে? ইনকাম ইজ থ্রু অ্যাকচুয়ালি দ্য ডিভিডেন্ড। দ্য ইনকাম মিনস দ্য ডিভিডেন্ড। ওকে, ইফ দিস ইজ this by এক পার, that means nominal value and market value are same. So dividend percent and the yield or percentage of return same, no problem, ওটাও সেম এটাও সেম। বাট when it is a premium, suppose 100 rupees share 145 বিক্রি, but company declare 15% dividend, so you, what is your income? Actually rupees 15 is the income, is clear for one share। এই যে rupees 15 is the income, that is what is your actual investment? Actual investment is 145. So 145 on 145 you just, your income is 15. So out of 100 কত? So 145 the income is 15, 1 এ কত, 15 by 145, 100. So 15 by 40, 145 into 100, you just calculate, you get 10 by 29%. তাহলে এখানে very an interesting thing, in case of at premium, when you just purchase a share in a premium, দেখো dividend percent and return percent differ করছে। return percent is less than the dividend percent. Dividend percent is 15, but the return percent is 10 by 29, decrease, less when at premium। তুমি যখন একটা শেয়ারকে, if you just purchase a share in the premium, then the return percent is less than the dividend percent. এটা ক্যালকুলেট করলে বলা যায়, ডোন্ট টু বি অ্যাগ্রিড উইথ দিস। ওকে, ক্লিয়ার। বাট here is 12% other sum, 12% rupees 25 share at discount of rupees 5 means, এখানে একটা কোশ্চেন, জাস্ট an example of this here, 12% rupees 25 share at a discount of rupees 5 means, what is the meaning? First meaning is 12%, করে দাও, discount is 12%, no problem, 12%, that means discount is 12%, rupees 25, that means the face value, rupees 25, face value or nominal value, face value, nominal value, face value or printed value same. Okay, that means actually the company's value is clear. Now the market value, market value at a discount of rupees 5, মানে 5 টাকা কমে, that decreasing rupees 5, that means actually 25 minus this 20 for one share. তাহলে what is the company's value? 25, market value is 20, that is discount. But here dividend calculate on the nominal value. Actually company ঘরে কত গেছে for one share? rupees 25, invest করছে 20, very careful here, invest, your invest is rupees 20, but in your invest in the company actually 25. So the dividend calculate on rupees 25, not 20, is okay. So that is safe. So dividend 12% of 25, here is not 20, here is 25, because this is the nominal value. Dividend calculate on the nominal value, dividend calculate on nominal value. So 12 by 100 into 25, rupees 3, that means rupees 3 is the income as a dividend, rupees 3 is the income as a dividend per share. এবার যদি তুমি 100 শেয়ার করো, 100 into 3, 300. So actually this is the annual income এসে যাবে। তুমি পেয়ে গেছো একটা শেয়ারের জন্য কত, নাম্বার অফ শেয়ারস কত, 100, so annual income হয়ে যাবে 3 into 100, 300 is the annual income for that. Okay, clear? Now actually, now what is the return here? What is the return percentage or yield? Now yield percent, what is your investment? Your investment is 20, so 20 out of 20, actually this is your investment is 20 তো তোমার 3 income, 1 এ কত, 3 by 20, 100 এ কত, into 100, so this is 5. 15%. What is the return? Percentage of return? Percentage of return is 15%. Percentage of return is 15%. Here you see, you just brought the share in the discount. The percentage of return is increased. Here is a 12%. You see, 12%, but percentage of return is 15%. That is a prediction. When you just bought a share in the discount, the percentage of return is always increased to the dividend percent. And just opposite, when you just bought a share in the premium, the percentage of return is actually decreased from the dividend declare. Okay, percentage of dividend. Is clear to you or not? So here MB less than NB, MB market value is less than, এটা যখনই হবে return percentage return is greater than dividend percent. Clear to you? Is clear? And annual income is this. This is actually the basic concept of the just general basic concept of the shares and dividend. Okay, clear? So if this is actually the formula is remember for that reason. If the concept must be clear, concept must be clear. You just do all the sum. Suppose let doing a sum for that today. Okay, suppose one sum. Okay, from the books of the ML Agrawal. Okay, one sum. Just like then we gradually increase the different pattern of sum in case of the shares and dividend. Okay, the first two concept must be clear. Suppose a sum is there. What is the sum? Find the dividend receipt. Find the dividend. Dividend. This is the exercise 3 sum number 1. Suppose find the dividend received. Dividend received on 60 shares. 60 shares of rupees 20 each if 9% dividend declare. No problem at all. Very easy. No problem. These are books from the email Agrawal, suppose 2025 edition, the exercise 3 sum number 1. Very easy. Just you calculate it your own. Very easy. Just you calculate it. Find the dividend received. What is the total dividend you received? What is the given data? What is the given data actually? On 60 shares. So here you write number of share 60 numbers of rupees 20 each. That means the face value is rupees 20 per share, 1 share, and dividend percent is 9%. Okay, I already say the dividend is calculated on the face value. Okay, or you just invest what actual amount you invest in the company. First, what this is the nominal value or face value. Nominal value, that is rupees 20. Okay, what is the total nominal value? Per share you just purchase rupees 20. Total nominal NV is rupees 20 এক একটা share. Number of shares কত? 60. So this is the total nominal value, 20 into 60. Okay, clear? Now dividend 9% of total nominal value. 9 by 100. You cannot calculate here. 20 into 60. Okay, so this is the total dividend. 0000. তাহলে 12 into 9. Rupees 108. Rupees 108. 12 into 9. Okay, so this is the total. This is the total dividend. Okay, so this is the thing. In this way you solve the sum. No problem at all. This is very interesting chapter. Okay, clear? So in this way, gradually solve all the sums from the shares and dividend. Shares and dividends is a very interesting chapter. And the just open your when you are all of the intelligent student, you just clear your conception. The base is clear. When the base are clear, no sum will be problem created to you. Here is not needed for any chapter, any formulas. You just originally just formulate the formula. No problem at all to remember all the formula. But in case of trigonometry, in case of AP and GP, I just always say you remember the formula. But the concept must be clear. You just use the formula in the proper place. But here is not needed any type of formula. Just use from this. Okay. So this is the thing. Dividend. There is no need of formula. The concept. The concept. What is the concept? Find the dividend receipt on rupees 60 shares or rupees 20 each. The number of shares. Number of shares. What is the face value? This is dividend percentage. That means actually what total investment in your company. Each and every share. This is 20. What is the number of shares? 60. So total investment 60 into 20. On the basis 9% of this. 9% of the total nominal value. 9 by 100 into this. You collect this 108. This is the total dividend. There is not need for any formula. You just not remember any formula. Just your concept is clear. You just do all these sums. Okay. So this is for today. I just continue the different types of sums from the ML Agron. Shares and very quickly. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, student. Thank you today.